number 7, JEE Advanced 2024 Paper 1 Solution. Let us see the question. A glass beaker has a solid plano-convex base of refractive index 1.60 as shown in the figure. The radius of curvature of the convex surface SPU is 9 cm, while the planar surface STU acts as a mirror. This beaker is filled with a liquid of refractive index N up to the label QPR. If the image of a point object O at a height of h, OT in the figure, is formed onto itself, then which of the following options are correct? So here student, you can see the diagram clearly. SPU is a plano convex lens and the liquid is filled is here, which refractive index is given by N. So you know that this is multiple choice question, so the answer will be one or more than one. Then let us consider the lens SPU. If we talk about the lens SPU, this is plano convex lens. We can write the focal length of this lens is what? 1 by f1. Let us consider plano convex lens is mu minus 1. 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. We are going to apply this formula for finding out the focal length. So we can here say that 1 by f1 is what? Mu, the value of mu is what? It is given 1.60 and refractive index of the liquid is N. So the value of mu is what? 1.60 minus 1 by r1. If object is here ray is coming like this, and here is positive and here is what? Negative, and this value is given h. Okay, according to question, if we see that the value of 1 by r1 is what? 1 by 9. r1 is positive and r2 is what? 1 by infinite. So 1 by f1 will be what? This will become 0.6 divided by 9. We can write this 6 divided by 90. After solving, we will get 1 by 15, and the value of f1 will becomes 15 centimeter. So this will be 15 centimeter. And for the lens SQRU, we can write this 1 by f2 and 1 by f2 mu minus 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, and this will becomes what? 1 by f2 is what? 1 mu is what? N minus 1 by r1 is what? This is the plane surface QPR is the plane surface, hence we can say that the refractive index is what? N, and the r1 is what? 1 by infinite minus 1 by 9, the value of r2. So here we can find out the value of 1 by f2, and this value will becomes N minus 1 divided by 9. and the value of f2 is what? 9 upon n minus 1. Okay, and if we want to calculate f equivalent focal length of the combination of mirror and lens, we can write this 1 by focal length of mirror minus 2 times 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. This is the value of focal length of combination. Yeah, here is a STU is a acts like as a plane mirror, so its focal length will be what? Infinite. Minus 2, if we put the value of f1, it will becomes 1 by 15, and the value of f2 is what? Value of 1 by f2 we can write minus n minus 1 divided by 9. After solving, we will get the value of f equivalent is what? Minus 2, 9. If we take the LCM 45, then what will happen? Let us take the LCM 45. This will becomes 3, and this will becomes what? Minus 5 and minus 1, and this will become minus 2, 3 minus 5n plus 5 divided by 45. Okay, the value of f equivalent is what? Minus 2, and this will becomes 8 minus 5n upon 45. Okay, student. This is 1 by f equivalent. Here we can say that the value of f equivalent is what? It will becomes 45, a to the 16 minus 16 plus 5 to the 10n. As we know that this is the value of f equivalent, total focal length. So we can say that if the image is formed object itself, it means that finally image is formed at object itself. So we can write here like what? This frequency is becomes what? H equals to, we can write, this will be the center of curvature of f equivalent. Okay, H equals to 2f. So here will be what? 2 into 45 upon 10n minus 16. If we take the common value of 2, then it will become 45, 5n minus 8. And we are ready to check the option. So if you put the value of first option, after solving first option, if we put the value of n is what? 1.42, then h will becomes what? 45 divided by 5 and 1.42 minus 8, and we will find this will becomes 50 centimeter. So this is correct option. Option A is correct. And now we will check option number B. If we put the value of n equals to 1.35, you will must be get the value of h is what? 36 centimeter. If you check the option number C, the value of n 1.45, then you will get the value of h is what? 60 centimeter. And we are going to check the value of option D. This is incorrect option. Here is in option we will get the value of h is 65 centimeter, which is not correct. So option C is not correct. Now we are going to check the option number D. If we put the value of D, we can check here. Put the value of n equals to 1.48. N equals to 1.48. Then the value of h we will get what? You can solve in this. This will become 45. 5 n is what? 1.48 minus 8. This will becomes 5 into 1.48 minus 8. It will 45 divided by 0.6, and this will become 450 divided by 6. So it will become 75. But in option number D, the value of S is given 85, which is also not correct. So option A is correct, option B is correct, option C is not correct, option D is not correct. Thank you.